Hi, I'm Daniel Fletcher, founder of Airsound. Over the past few months, we've been rebuilding the Airsound Spatial Audio Processor from the ground up. Today, we're releasing ASAP version 5. The big focus this time has been giving the user complete freedom over the sound field. You can move it, rotate it, and reshape the listening experience instantly. Let me show you how it works.
The homepage is familiar, but you see the difference when you look at settings. So first and foremost, you choose the size of the room, choose the position of the speakers with the mouse, and it shows you their position. In this room, I've got 4, so I'll drop in 2 more, and the subwoofer goes here. And that's great, but the real power is in choosing different listening positions. We've got a sofa at the back, so I'll save that preset. And then what I'm going to do is drag this to the back, and now the sound field will have focused itself at the back of the room, and I'll save that as a new preset. And so now I'm free to jump between the 2 positions. But there's something even better here, and that's this arrow, and this allows me to rotate the sound field. So for example, if I want to work over here, do an overdub or something, I can point this at this speaker, and the sound field has now rotated and shifted to be focused on that point. So it really is great fun, incredibly flexible, and just makes it easy to enjoy spatial audio in so many new ways.
The new system is also fully scalable with dramatically lower CPU load, and it can support much larger loudspeaker systems of different types. This makes it easy to deploy spatial audio in studios, live rooms, venues, and other listening spaces. If you're interested in bringing immersive spatial audio to your own space or project, please get in touch. Thank you for watching.